Okay, so now let's talk about writing equivalent fractions where we want to reduce the denominator, right? So we want a smaller denominator. So here are the steps to do that. So this is called reducing a fraction, okay? Now you can do this, you can reduce it to a specified smaller denominator, or you can put what's the fraction, what we call lowest terms again, right? So this we can do, okay? So let me explain this. 1, find a common factor in both the numerator and denominator. So you look for the common factor or the greatest common factor, right? So find the largest number that will divide both the top and the bottom, okay? This will be faster. So for example, if you want the fraction in lowest terms, then find the greatest common factor of the top and the bottom, divide the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator, by that, the GCF, and your fraction will automatically be in lowest terms. That's the fastest way to get to lowest terms, okay? But sometimes you can't see what the greatest common factor is. Or maybe they don't want you to put in lowest terms. Maybe they specify, hey, I want the denominator to be this, okay? So then you just have to figure out what you need to divide by in order to get it to that number, okay? So that's step 1, is find the common factor or GCF. 2, divide the numerator and the denominator by the common factor that you found, or the greatest common factor. And then 3, continue steps 1 and 2 until you either reach the desired denominator or the fraction is in lowest terms. And that's it. So let's do a quick example. So let's say I've got 8/10. And I want to reduce that to lowest terms. So the easiest way to do that is I want to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 10. So what's the largest number that will divide both 8 and 10? Well, that's 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 8 by 2, and I'm going to remember, whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So if I divide 8 by 2, I'm going to get 4. And so I'm going to have to divide 10 by 2, and I get 5. And so 4/5 is the lowest terms, okay, and they're equal. And that's it. Have a great day.